Okay, a homeowner mows the lawn every Wednesday afternoon. We want to sketch a rough graph of the height of the grass as a function of time over the course of a 4-week period. So here is our question, okay? And what we want to do is we want to be able to graph this. Now the key here is to talk about that we have a 4-week period and it's every Wednesday. Okay, so since we know that it's a 4-week period, then we're going to have 4 segments here that we need to use. Okay, so we have 4 parallel lines, segments that are drawn. Okay, now again, the horizontal axis is labeled T, right? And the vertical axis is labeled the height of the grass. So again, here's your 4 weeks. Okay, so the first line begins at a close point on the positive axis and goes up and right and ends at an open point above a mark labeled Wednesday. So therefore, this is the first week. Okay, comes up here, and then we have an open point there. That represents the first one. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the second line. Well, the second line is going to begin at the close point down here and directly below the last point and to the right of the first point, goes up and right and then ends at an open point above another mark labeled Wednesday. So therefore, here is our second week. Okay, and then we have our third line, and that begins again at a close point directly below the last point and to the right of the first point. So therefore it goes up and right and ends at an open point above another mark labeled Wednesday. So therefore here is our third week. Okay, and then we have our fourth line, which again begins at a close point directly below the last point and to the right of the first point. And again, it goes up and right and ends at an open point above another mark labeled Wednesday. So therefore, this is going to be our fourth week. So again, here's our fourth week, and then let's label the third week. So this is our third week, and therefore there is our graph. So let's review this. So on this Wednesday, here's the height of the grass, and it grows, right? And then on this Wednesday, you cut the grass again, and then it grows. And then you cut the grass again, and then it grows. And then you cut the grass again, and then it grows.